Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Celebrity Cars. This week we have to offer this 2016 Freebird Chopper. Welcome to Celebrity Cars. We're located in Las Vegas. You ever come here on vacation, you want to see fancy motorcycles like this and all kinds of collectible cars, boy, please come on by. I'm your living, breathing condition report here at Celebrity Cars, and we're just going to let the camera do the walking today. It's a beautiful build done by the one and only Counts Customs. Extremely beautiful color, shovel head. My kind of seat right here with this Trans Am logo. Any of you know how nerdy I am about those. I'm going to come down here while Quincy kind of hovers around this area just to make sure I don't see any extra scuffs or scratches or anything that if you called us up and wanted it shipped directly to your house, you'd want to know its condition, and so far so good. It's real nice shape over here. Everything is super clean. Handlebars are in beautiful shape. All right. What looks like some bullet holes into the seat, that's what you're seeing there. That's kind of what it reminds me of. Now, while I let Quincy continue to roam with the camera so you can see every nook and cranny of this motorcycle, I'd like to point out down here that we have a couple scratches all along here, and then, you know, a pretty good scratch right here. Oh, sorry, I'll get out of the way. But other than that, once again, oh, and just a couple really light ones up here on this tailpipe as well. But honestly, folks, the rest of this motorcycle, you know, I presume it was used and enjoyed a little bit since 2016, but it barely looks like it except for a couple of these marks here, and that's about it. The rest of it is beautiful. I don't see any chips in the paint, any chips in the tank. The tank is just a piece of jewelry in itself. It's just beautiful. The motor's not so bad either. And you know where that comes from. Now, to follow it up, folks, we're going to take this outside and we're going to fire it up so you know it runs. So we'll be right back with that portion of the video. If you have any other questions about this motorcycle, give us a call, 702-818-1031. We're happy to answer any of them. We'll be right back.